Good morning everyone and welcome to the review. My name is Jene and we're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful painting called Paradise Cove. Stay tuned. On this channel we do unboxings, tips and tricks, recommendations, and full post reviews just like this one. So let's go over to that video. Hello everyone, and again welcome. Today we are going to do a full post review on this gorgeous painting. Unfortunately you can't see it right now because, well, I've got everything on top of it, and I wanted to go over the information on this painting as well as the pros and cons before I actually show you the full canvas. So this is a painting that came from Mystical Diamond Art. This is a 40 by 55 full round drill. Now, I kitted this up on October 4th, started it on October 4th, and I completed it on October 13th. So let's go over the pros and cons to this beautiful painting, and then we'll unveil it. So a couple of cons. There's only two cons that I have on this painting, and one is the training wheels. Now normally the training wheels don't bother me, but in this painting it did, and I will go over that once I've unveiled it and I will show you what I'm talking about. But the training wheels were an issue, especially with the lighter colors. The other issue that I had, which wasn't a huge issue, it was more of just slow down and pay attention to what you're doing, and that is the symbols. There were a couple of symbols in the painting that were fairly close in color as well as the type of symbol it was. So for example, if you were working in the confetti area and you came across the letter C and the letter Q, they were very close in color and the symbols looked fairly similar. So you really had to slow down in the confetti area just so that you didn't put down the wrong drill for those particular two symbols. Other than that, the painting was a breeze. It was fun to do. Had no complaints at that, other than that. Now, let's go over the pros because there's lots of them, guys. One of the pros that I found doing this painting was the glue. The glue is really strong, but you still were able to move the drill slightly if you didn't get it right on top of that training wheel. So to me that is excellent. I love strong glue, but I still want to be able to move those drills, and with this glue you can do that. Also, there was a very little amount of glue on the border. You did not need to use washi tape if you didn't want to. So that to me was also a great bonus. So let's talk about the drills. Oh my God, everyone. Oh my God. All I can say is OMG. These drills are the best drills I have worked with yet. They are beautiful. Yes, they have dimples on the back, but to me, that is not an issue. Beautiful shine on them. They are gorgeous. And believe it or not, I had absolutely zero garbage with this painting. So amazing drills. Not only did I have zero garbage, but guys, look at this. Look at all of these drills. I have so much extra. It's unbelievable. Look at these two bags. Just these two bags alone. Tons of extra drills. So let's go over the drills real quick. Just move this off to the side. So you have these beautiful blues. Just gorgeous blues. Then you had your dark, so here's your 310, and believe it or not one garbage drill in this bag of 3/10. Dark gray. I mean, look at that. Tons of them. Here's your greens. So you got your really dark green and then your lighter greens as you went. Then here are your blues. You got kind of a bluish gray there, then your blue there, a lighter blue, and then look at this. Look at how many drills. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful drills. Your rust colors that went into your corals, then your tans, and then here are your dark purples. This is a pretty color. Your lighter purple, and then you go into your rose color, a dark pink, and then your lighter pink. So, oh my gosh, I can sit here and rave and rave and rave over these drills. They are amazing. And as I said, believe it or not, no garbage. Okay, so another thing I wanted to bring up is the kitting up. The kitting up and kitting down was a breeze. Now, if you're a new diamond painter, the nice thing about this particular kit is it comes, all of their drills come in these bags. So the bags all are listed by number as well as DNC code numbers. It tells you exactly how much drills are in each of these bags. Now, if you are a diamond painter that uses a storage container system, the store also provides stickers that you can put on your storage container system. And the nice thing about it is, I'm a storage container person. I like my drills in storage containers. Basically, you had to cut up the sticker, which is fine. You put them on your storage containers. Now, the thing about the stickers is that most of the time, I would say 90% of the time, when you take the stickers off, it leaves a bit of residue on your storage container systems. So then what you have to do is you have to take a bit of Goo Gone, get all that gooey stuff off, then wash them, then dry them, and it just is a hassle. Whereas these stickers did not leave any sticky residue. They just came right off. They didn't actually break apart or anything. Love the stickers. And the fact that I didn't have to do a lot of cleanup, I was happy. I was a happy painter. So, extra drills, beautiful stickers, not a lot of residue on your stickers, so that means you don't have to clean your storage system. Great idea. Also provides the sticker for your journals if you have a journal. If you're a new diamond painter and you don't want to invest in storage container systems, with this kit, you don't have to do that. You can work out of the bags and it's great. It's great. So let's take a look at this beautiful painting. Just put that over there. Okay. So as I said with the cons, there was a few issues that I had. One of them was right up in here. And as you can see, this is pretty white. This painting has training wheels. So if you don't get your drills on that training wheel completely, then you have to spend time maneuvering those drills and pushing them to cover that training wheel. It took me a while to do that because a lot of these drills didn't completely cover up that training wheel. And even now, they don't. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the camera so I can bring it down and show you what I'm talking about. And it'll be just a second for you, but it'll be just a couple of minutes for me. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're looking at the white here, and if you can see through some of this area, right in here, you can see, especially if you move this, you'll be able to see the dark background, and that is from the training wheels. So I'm going to try to keep my hands from going in there, but like let's see if I can get my finger. Oh. Right in here, you can kind of see a little bit of that black right around these drills. And unfortunately, because these are white drills, that training wheel is really going to show up. So that was the only thing that truly I would say to the store, if you can, please get rid of those training wheels, because as much as I try to maneuver and move those drills to cover that, it didn't completely cover them. So when you look from afar, you really can't see them. That's the nice thing. You really can't see them from afar. But if you were to look at them close up, or even look at it now, you can kind of see in that area, in this area here, that black that kind of shines through underneath those drills. So that would be the one thing that I would highly suggest to the store, is if any way possible, if you can get rid of those training wheels, that would be great. Now I wanted to bring the camera, I'm going to move it a little bit, so please bear with me here. I'm going to just bring it down to about right here. So right in here too, the camera doesn't seem to be picking it up, which is a good thing, but I can see it. There's a bit of training wheels here that seem to pop up, and it seems to only be around the whites, because there isn't any color background to keep that from actually showing up. So again, if you can get rid of those training wheels, that wouldn't be a problem. Now I'm going to move you just a little bit more over here, because I'm going to show you what I have done to some of these drills. I'm just going to move them here. There. So some of these drills I have actually swapped out and put in sparklers, because I thought, oh, you know what, this is such a beautiful painting and I wanted to put some sparklers in this. So I'm just going to pick this up and move it a little bit more there. So you can see that I changed these colors and they were all white, so I just went ahead and changed them into the sparklers. And wow, do they ever look amazing in this painting. I'm just going to move this a little bit more. I swapped out the white in this light here. This is a street light that comes down in here, and I swapped out the white there and I put those sparklers in that too. So I'm hoping that that will actually make that light there stand out. Beautiful colors though, beautiful. So I'm going to again pause the camera and move you back where I had you, so that way you can take a look at the full picture again. We'll be right back. So again, everyone, this comes from Mystical Diamond Art. It is a 40 by 55 full round drill. Beautiful painting. Highly recommend this store. I will definitely have the link to the store down below in the description, as well as the owner, who is Amy. She is on YouTube, and I will have her information down below too. Please check her out, guys. You will not be disappointed. Beautiful painting. Love it. So Amy, if you're watching, love the painting, and oh my god, your drills are to die for. So by saying that, we're going to go ahead and end the video. If you like the video, give it that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm okay with that. But if you can let me know down below in the comments what you didn't like about the video, I would greatly appreciate that. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Don't forget to hit the bell though, but the bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, everyone, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon.